Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Use a 21mm socket to loosen the wheel nut.
Use a 14mm socket to remove the caliper bolts. Use a 17mm socket to remove the caliper bracket bolts. Before removing the brake discs, fully retract the brake shoes so you can take out the disc. Remove the brake shoes. Remove the ABS sensor. You will need a 10mm socket. Use a 17mm socket to remove the wheel bearing bolts. Use a hammer to knock out the old wheel bearing. That noise is because the screw for the ABS sensor fell inside. Install the new wheel bearing. Put everything back together.